Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the file, save a duplicate, and work only on that copy so you never overwrite the original. Once done, make sure to change the docx extension to zip so you can inspect internal XML files. You'll be able to open the zip and extract document, XML, and media folders. This step gives you visibility into corruption points and avoids wasting time on surface fixes that don't address damaged XML or missing parts. You now locate the problem inside document, XML, and related parts. Open them in a plain text editor that displays line numbers so you can find malformed tags or truncated content. Once you spot bad XML, like unclosed tags or bad characters, fix or remove the offending lines and make sure the document, XML, rels and /rels entries reference existing media. After edits, re-zip with the exact folder structure. This repairs the internal relationships. You finish by recompressing the exact folder layout into a zip and renaming it back to docx, then open Word. If it's still box, use Word's open and repair option. Once opened, inspect for missing content and save a clean copy. If Word cannot recover, extract plain text from document, XML, and paste into a new document, then reinsert cleaned media and styles. Troubleshooting tip: if errors persist, validate XML with an online validator to pinpoint remaining malformed tags before reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.